Good morning, my dear children. Hope you all are doing good, staying healthy and safe at home. Welcome to your English class today, children. Yes, let us go for your 8th chapter, that is Monday Morning Blues. Okay, children. Yes, this is a story about a boy named as Tom Sawyer, and he'll be very lazy to go to school, children, because previous day was Sunday and he was so happy enjoying his time at home. But next day was Monday, and early morning he wanted to get up and get ready for the school. And so what he was feeling was feeling very lazy, and he don't want to go for the school, and he was feeling very sad to go to the school. Understood? In the same sense, even you people do at home, right, children? Yes or no? School ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಜಾರು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ಸರಿ. And also if you get continuous holiday and next day when you wanted to go to the school, you feel so sad, right? Yeah, in the same way Tom Sawyer was also feeling. Okay, so let us see what is the chapter about, children. Okay, I will read the textbook. Please please see wherever I'm reading. Got it? Please keep your finger on the words where I'm reading. Got it? Open page number 59, children. Yes. Monday morning found Tom Sawyer sad. Monday morning always found him so because it began another week slow suffering in school. He generally began that day with wishing he had had no holidays in between. School seemed more painful because of them. So what happened for Tom, children? Monday morning found Tom Sawyer sad. Always, every Monday morning, Tom Sawyer was feeling very sad. Why, children? Because Monday morning always found him so because it began another week slow suffering in school. Yes or no? It is a beginning of another week, right, children? And it is a slow suffering in school, means they wanted to go to school. Teacher gives that work, this work, and he wanted to do everything, right? So he was feeling very bored to go to school. He generally began that day with wishing he had no holidays in between. School seemed more painful because of them. So he generally began that day with wishing he had had no holidays in between. So he was just thinking, if in the week, if you get 1 or 2 days holiday, you will feel so happy, right? Even he was feeling the same. He was wishing the same, that if he had got holidays in between, he was wishing that he had got the holidays in between, so that this it finishes soon, right? Yes, that is the reason. School seemed more painful because of them. So because of that, he don't want to go for the school, and it was making him to feel very painful. It was just thinking about that, and he don't want to go for the school. Understood, children? Yes. Let us go for second paragraph, children. Yes. Tom lay thinking. So he just lay on the bed thinking what to do for that day. Got it? After some time, it occurred to him that he wouldn't have to go to school. So what came to his mind, children? Some thought came to his mind. What Tom was doing, children, he was just lying on the bed itself. He didn't get up. So some thought came to his mind. After some time, it occurred to his mind that he don't want to go to the school. Understood? He wouldn't have to go to the school. Here was a slim chance. He focused on all parts of his body, but he could discover no sickness. So what is trying to do, children? He's just seeing all the parts of his body. For what is saying, children? Did you understand for what is saying? Because he's just trying to find out if there is any sickness in the body, and so that he can put leave for the school. Understood what I'm trying to say? Yes. Then he looked again. So again and again he's seeing his body. Okay, this time he thought he could notice a bit of pain in his stomach. Okay, and he began to hope it would get sharper. So later, again we started to see the body, and he was thinking, oh God, what to do? I'm not getting any pain, so that if I had some pain, I would take leave. He was thinking in his mind, right? So this time when he was thinking, something occurred in his mind. What? He noticed that he had some bit of stomach pain, and just ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ stomach pain ittu. Got it? And he began to hope it would get sharper. Okay, and what he thought in his mind, children, he was just thinking, let it become more. If his stomach pain becomes more, what happens? They will make you to stay at home, right? Parents will make you to take leave and stay at home, right? Yes, that was his plan. Understood? Yes. But it grew weak and soon died wholly away. So what happened, children? It became very weak. Andre stomach pain ಒಟ್ಟೋಯ್ತು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋವೇ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. Understood? And soon died wholly away. Andre means wholly is nothing but completely. Means within few minutes what happened? Completely stomach pain was it's not there. Understood? Disappeared. Okay. He paid closer attention. Suddenly he discovered something. One of his upper front teeth was loose. This was lucky. He was about to begin to groan as a starter, as he called it, when it occurred to him that if he came up with that excuse, his aunt would pull it out and that would hurt. So again he got one more plan, one more idea in his mind. What was that, children? He just suddenly discovered something. So he started to discover something. What was that? The thought came to his mind that his upper front teeth was loose. Means his upper front teeth was shaky. Means it was about to fall. Understood? So this was a lucky plan, he thought in his mind. Understood? So what it did, he was about to begin to groan. Groan means what, children? Groan is nothing but a cry, a low cry. Understood? Painful cry. Altaralla no bandaga, that one. Okay, so groan as a starter. So he wanted to begin to cry, but something occurred in his mind. What occurred in his mind, children? He just thought that if I go near the aunt, near to aunt and say that my teeth is paining, so what she will do? She will just pull out the teeth. When she pull out the teeth, what happens, children? It will be very painful, right? So it hurts him, right? Yes, so he just thought all of those things. Understood? Yes. So he thought he would hold the tooth in reverse for the present. So he thought in his mind that a supply of reverse is nothing but a supply of something that you keep until it is needed. So he just changed his mind. Why? So let the teeth be like that only. Means reserve is nothing but, I said no, children. So he said that he would hold the tooth in reserve for the present. Means let it be till for how many days it will be in the mouth itself. I don't want to I don't want to pull that, he thought in his mind, because it hurts him. Got it? Yes, for the present, and seek further. Okay, he noticed nothing. Turn the page, children. For a while. So now this idea was also flop. Which idea? Teeth idea was also didn't work. So he was just keeping quiet and he was thinking for another idea. Got it? Yes, so he just kept quiet for a while, children. And then he remembered hearing the doctor tell about a certain thing that made a patient lie in bed for 2 or 3 weeks and threatened to make him lose a finger. So the boy eagerly drew his sore toe from under the sheet and held it up so that he could see it better. So later, what was his idea, children? He had heard from a doctor. When he had visited a clinic, he had heard the doctor telling that if there is a sore finger, means ಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಉತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು ಆಗಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬೋನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಪೆಟ್ಟಾಗಿದ್ರೆ what happens that time, children? So that they need bed rest, right? 2 to 3 days ಆದ್ರೂ bed rest ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? So that plan came to his mind. Okay, certain thing that made a patient lie in bed for 2 or 3 weeks and threatened to make him lose a finger. Understood? So the boy eagerly drew his sore toe from under the sheet and held it up so that he could see it better. So what happened? ಅವನ ಕಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನು ಗಾಯ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಗಾಯ ಅಲ್ಲ, sore is nothing but, children, ಊದ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, that one. Understood? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಡೆದು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಪ್ಲೇ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್, ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಲೆಲ್ಲ ಪೇನ್ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Understood? That one. Okay, so what he did, he just drew a sore toe ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೆಳ್ಳು, like ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಕಾಲಿನ this one Toe, what do you say? ಕಾಲಿನ ಬೆರಳುಗಳು ಅಂಚು ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ, ಟಿಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೋಸ್, ಟಿಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಿಂಗರ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೋ. Got it? Yes. So, yes. Understood? So, tip of the toe from under the sheet, ಅಂದ್ರೆ under the bed sheet ಇಂದ ಅವನ ಕಾಲನ್ನ ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಎತ್ತದ, held it up so that he could see it better. So ತೆಗೆದು ನೋಡ್ದ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಅದು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, it is paining ಅಂತ, like that. Okay. So, but now he did not know the necessary symptoms, but he did not know the symptoms of the pain. Symptoms ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ನೋವು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, like that. So he did not know what was the symptoms for that sore pain of his leg. Understood? Still, it seemed worthwhile to risk it. So he started groaning loudly, but Sid continued to sleep. So he didn't get any other plan. So he did it one day plan. So what he started to do, children, he started to groan loudly. Groan is nothing but, children, making a long, low sound when expressing pain, unhappiness. Pain iddaga joragi sound madalva kukkondu aa tara he started to groan loudly and worthless to risk it. So he started growling loudly, but Sid continued to sleep. So what happened? He got the idea that he wanted to take a leave for his school. So what was his plan, children? He wanted to show his sore toe and take leave for school. Okay, so he started to groan loudly. Growling is nothing but making a long sound, children. Means expressing the pain. Enadru novu agta iddaga we'll shout, no, we'll cry like anything, no, that is called growling. So he started to groan loudly. Sid continued to sleep. The boy was sleeping next to him, but Sid, his name was Sid. So, but Sid continued to sleep. Means he didn't wake up only, he was going on sleeping like anything. Understood? No result from Sid. So, result no. Sid inda yavadu result siglilla. Okay, Tom was panting with his efforts by this time. Panting means what, children? Breathing quickly. ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಉಸಿರಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, that one. Okay, he rested for some time and then resumed his grounding. So ಅವನಿಗೆ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹತ್ತು ಅವನಿಗೆ he felt like feeling tired. ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಅಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಆಗತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ. So what he did, he just took for a while, means resume is nothing but ಈಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, ಅಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಜೋರಾಗಿ, he stopped and again he started to cry loudly. Got it? Means grounding loudly. Yes. Sid snored on. Sid ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ? He didn't wake up at all. Snore is nothing but, children, ಗೊರ್ಕೆ ಹೊಡಿಯೋದು. ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡ ಕೆಲವರು ಗೊರ್ಕೆ ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ ಜೋರಾಗಿ. Still Sid was going on snoring. Got it? Tom got irritated. He said, Sid, and shook him. So Tom got very angry and irritated. Why, children? Because he was not at all getting up. Sid Tom was going on shouting that it's paining, but still Sid he was not waking up. So Tom got irritated and he started to shook him. Andre avana alladsi besek try ಮಾಡ್ದ. This time the result was good and Tom began to groan again. So this time the result was good. Andre so Sid got up. Understood? So Tom started to groan again. ಇನ್ನು ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಅಳಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ. Okay, Sid yawned, stretched, then brought himself up on his elbow with a snort and began to stare at Tom. So ಅವನಿಗೆ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. He was yawning. ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಅವನ ಕೈನೆಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ, what he did, he just got up from the bed and he started to stare at Tom. Understood? Yes. Tom went on groaning. Sid said. Tom went on groaning. Andre Tom is going on crying, means is shouting with pain. Sid said, Tom, say Tom. No response from Tom. Yeah, Tom, what is the matter? So Sid is getting scared. He is just asking Tom that what happened? What is the matter? Tell me, Tom. And he shook him and looked in his face anxiously. And also Sid started to shook him and in a anxious face, means anxious is nothing but feeling nervous, children. Baya agodu, atanka agodu. Got it? So he's just just shaking Tom, and he's asking, what is the matter? What happened for you? Why you're groaning so loudly? Understood? Yes, children. Tom mourned out. Mourned is nothing but children. It is also a low cry of pain. Understood? Cry of pain. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಏನೋ ನೋವಿದ್ದಾಗ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಓಕೆ ಟಾಮ್ ಮೌಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ is just started to cry out. Oh, don't Sid, don't joggle me. So he started to tell Sid that don't joggle me. Joggle me is nothing but children. Move or cause to move with small repeatedly jerks. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಏನೋ ನೋವಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಪ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ ಕಾಲಲ್ಲೋ ಅಥವಾ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲೋ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಬಂದು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಾಡಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಪೇನ್ ಮೋರ್ ರೈಟ್ ಎಸ್ ಸೊ ಈ ಸೆಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ okay. Why? What's the matter, Tom? So Sid is asking again, what's the matter, Tom? What has happened for you? I must call auntie. So he said that I must call auntie. Okay, no, never mind. It will be over by and by, maybe. So Tom said, no need to call auntie. Maybe it will be over. Means the pain may stop. Understood? So don't call anybody. So don't call anybody, Tom said to Sid. Okay, no, but I must. Don't ground so, Tom. It's awful. So Sid, what he said that, no, I must call anybody now. So please don't cry. Don't ground like this. It is very awful. It is awful. Awful is nothing but children. It is very bad. Means I am feeling very bad seeing you. Please don't cry like this. How long have you been this way? So from how much time you're suffering like that? I didn't know, only Sid is asking to Tom. Hours. Ouch. Oh, don't stir so. Sid, you will kill me. So what Sid was doing, just Sid was touching him and he was asking him that from how much time you're suffering like this. So Tom said that from hours it is paining, making me to pain like anything. Understood? So and also Tom said that please don't stir me like this, you will kill me. Understood? Tom, why didn't you wake me sooner? So what Sid is telling children, Sid is telling that why didn't you wake me sooner? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇಗನೆ ಎಬ್ಬಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. Oh Tom, don't. It makes my flesh crawl to hear you. Tom, Tom, what's the matter? So, but what was happened there, children? Actually, Tom had been waking up Sid for a long time, right? But he was not at all getting up, right? Yes. So Sid said that you should have woken up sooner, so that I would have called aunt or done something. Understood the chapter till here, children? It was little bit humorous, right? Enjoying, right? Yes, even you people do the same. Maybe you people do the same thing at home, I think so. Yes or no? If when you don't have the mood to go to school, right? Yes, children. So I think I will stop the chapter here, children. Let me continue the remaining part in the next video. Understood? I hope you all have understood till here. So please once again read the lesson. Okay, and please read all these meanings. Understood? Yes, children. Have a nice day, children. Thank you.